Chef Lorious, and welcome back to the Love Lab. Today we're doing something a little different. We're mixing up cocktails. Join me for a ginger margarita. Well, margaritas, where do we begin? We're gonna start with the basics. Now I'm using Jose today. I'll be honest, I'm more of a Patron girl, but you know, Jose is what I got today. Jose is what we're gonna use. You're gonna do equal parts. You're gonna start with the Jose or whatever tequila brand you have. A nice liqueur. Now, when you're making a traditional margarita, here's where you would use triple sec. But we're gonna use ginger liqueur. And this stuff is amazing. I love it. All right, then we're gonna do lime juice. Now, don't talk about, oh, you should squeeze fresh limes. Yes, I should, but I'm also not a resort, okay? I'm at home. All right, but I'm doing equal parts of these. And I do about 2 ounces of each one, okay? But you can do 1 ounce, depends on you how big your glass is and how much ice you're using. I just, in case I do like it, I wanna have enough. If I don't like it, I don't know, I have to drink enough of it to know what I didn't like. And this is just some simple syrup. I usually do about a half of the simple syrup because there's a lot of sweetness in the liqueur, and also the lime juice does a lot to kind of tone the sourness. Okay, now put the top on, make sure there's ice in there. Put this on. Now, this is really cool, you guys. When you're shaking a cocktail, don't do this, okay? I was at a resort on vacation and the guy, you know, every time if you do that, you pull it off, the drink explodes. That's why. You're supposed to round swirl. Yeah, that's my tip. And he's right, it works. Round swirl, okay? And then look, when you pull it off, you don't have a disaster. See? I know, who knew? Nice glass, strainer in. See, perfect. And a little extra in there, in case I don't like it. All right, and you guys, here we have a beautiful ginger margarita. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you next time right here for more Cocktails with Lorious. In the meantime, happy cocktailing.